Well, it is a more convenient and cleaner way of using that slimy and oily stuff around our kitchens. I know it's not only me but many of us hate when we spill the oil and then we have to get our hands all oily and uncomfortable to clean the oily mess, right? Not to mention that it makes economic use of the oil and enables us to prep up the dishes quicker with less hassle as opposed to using the oil right from their packets. That is why we have, as our passion and bid, come up with the reviews of our top 5 picks of oil sprayers that are of the best that we know. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you 5 best oil sprayer for cooking 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the MISSOLO brand. Upgraded nozzle help you get 100% even atomization while keeping the nozzles clean and free of oil dripping from the nozzles. Also, the nozzle can be rotated, and you can turn the nozzle to adjust the angle of the spray and control the pressure to change the spray pattern. The oil spray bottle is suitable for cooking oil, lemon juice, soy sauce, etc. Practical kitchen gadget helps you achieve a fan pattern atomized spraying. It is widely used in grilling, salads and baking. Oil sprayers for cooking are popular with chefs, gourmets, and perfect air fryer accessories for fitness enthusiasts. He olive oil sprayer is made of food-grade PP and PET, BPA-free, eco-friendly, and 100% odorless. It is more lightweight and durable than glass products, so you don't have to worry about breaking it anymore. This oil spritzer is more suitable for outdoor carry and indoor kitchen use. Healthy living starts with controlling the amount of oil in your food. Using mist oil instead of pouring, consistently dispense 0.2 teaspoons, 1 g, per spray. Precise oil control. Enjoy your food and reduce the amount of oil intake at the same time. Healthy eating starts now. Enjoy a low-fat, healthy life. The unique nozzle design does not cause clogging and is easy to clean at the same time. Number 4 in our top is from the KTPD fan brand. The cooking spray bottle adopts an adjustable nozzle, which can be switched between 0.25 milliliters and 0.5 milliliters at will to control the healthy amount of oil mist used. Keep the bottle vertical or at a 45 degrees angle to achieve a better even spray. This glass oil spray bottle dispenser is the perfect helper in the home and kitchen. You can use this oil sprayer to load a variety of seasonings like oil, vinegar, soy sauce, lemon and lime juice for salad making, cooking, baking, roasting, grilling, air fryer and more. Non-slip and ergonomic handle design. Hand can hold the cap and handle comfortably. Just one touch to spray oil evenly. Oil sprayer dispenser bottle's compact bottle mouth design will not leak oil, making it easy for you to clean the bottle and easy to carry. This olive oil sprayer has a capacity of 200 milliliters, a height of 8 inch and a diameter of 2 inch, a SCH, which is less than 1/8 the size of other 100 milliliter sprayers. You can easily put the spray bottle in bag to carry out for outdoor barbecues, picnics. The oil sprayer for cooking is made of food-grade glass. You can pour hot water into the oil mister, shake it 6 to 8 times, pour it out, and repeat 3 to 5 times to clean the oil spritzer. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the eBay brand. The olive oil sprayer is made of 304 high-quality stainless steel and food-grade glass with a non-slip top design that won't slip off. This olive oil sprayer is the perfect tool for the home and kitchen. Ideal for home users such as salad making, cooking, baking, frying steaks, air fryers and more. Loved by chefs and gourmets alike. We recommend that you keep the bottle vertical when using the oil sprayer for cooking to produce a better fine mist. The enlarged funnel makes it easier for you to refill the oil. Olive oil sprayer produces a uniform and pure oil mist. Healthy life starts with oil control. eBay's sprayer, mist oil instead of pouring, brings you a healthy way of eating. This oil mister is portable and can hold various liquids. It will give you a great way to control the oil. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the TTCROEE brand. Easy to clean, soak in hot water to soften the oil stains and clean. Provide healthy people with the best oil control options, and enjoy a healthy life with simple kitchen gadgets. The durable pressing nozzle will not block the nozzle due to the hardening of the oil. The oil mist is more delicate and fuel efficient. It adopts a hanging cap design, which is convenient to place in any corner of the kitchen. Made of 304 stainless steel and transparent food-grade glass, it is easy to check the amount of oil in the bottle. There is a bottom non-slip pad in the package to prevent the bottom of the bottle from colliding and bring you a certain degree of safety during use. This oil sprayer compatible with cooking oil, olive oil, soy sauce, vinegar, water, and other liquids. Can be used for barbecue, cooking, baking, frying, salad, cake, pizza, suitable for kitchen, picnic, camping, travel. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the MISSOLO brand. This oil dispenser bottle for kitchen is transparent and conveniently to see the oil remaining. With the oil mister, mist oil instead of pouring, less calories, you can effectively reduce fat intake and eat healthier. The material of the oil spray bottle is food-grade glass and 304 stainless steel. There is anti-slip texture on the top of the bottle cap, which makes it easy to pump and control the oil usage. The dust-proof atomizing nozzle is hidden inside of the cap, efficiently keep it clean. The oil sprayer for air fryer can be widely used to mist olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, vinegar, etc. This oil mister is a handy bottle that you can operate with only one hand. Just need to quickly pump several times as you need it. You can get evenly oil mist on your food. Olive oil spray bottle is designed in a portable size. Width is 1.57 inches, high 7.2 inch, weight 0.43 pounds. You can conveniently take it to a picnic, camping, or traveling. Perfect for cooking, making salad, grilling, baking, roasting, and barbecue. Which oil sprayer would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.